Hello everyone, welcome back to the Ask Toronto Driver series. So the question for today was asked by NB, who wants to know how to feel confident to drive the car alone after you get the G2 license. Well, for those of you who do not know what a G2 license means, a G2 license is something you get after the written test. So that means you can drive the car by yourself. So to answer the question, NB, hey, the famous motivational speaker Les Brown, he says that you can't see your own picture when you're in the frame. So what it means here is that the fact that the examiner didn't have to press the brake on you, didn't have to hold the steering wheel, and on top of that, he gave you the license to drive by yourself, signifies that you are a good driver. You don't need anyone, maybe an instructor or an experienced driver beside you to drive with you. You can very well drive alone, else you wouldn't have gotten the license. Now, I can very well understand your fear of driving on a busy road. But hey, the only way you can get rid of that fear is through practice. So practice as much as you can, and this is a golden time to practice. Now that there aren't a lot of cars on the road due to COVID-19, you have the roads to yourself. Practice as much as you can. Grab the keys right now and go sit in your car, turn on the car, and go out for a drive. Hey, I'll tell you what, my wife was scared of driving in Canada. She had driven in India for a long time, yet she was scared of driving in Canada. That was because she was not driving, as in not practicing a lot. The moment she got her G2, I gave her the keys and told her to go drive as much as she could. And guess what? Within a week, she was a confident driver, and she said, Harminder, I had been scared for no reason. Do you see that? And this is exactly what's going to happen to you. After you've driven the car, after you have exposed yourself to certain situations, you will become very confident. Start slow. Take baby steps if that's required. Take baby steps. Go on roads that are less busy, and then go to a road that's a little busier, slightly busier than the road you were driving at, and keep on exposing yourself to such situations. The more you expose yourself to more heavier traffic situations, the more confident driver you will become. So NB, my dear friend, you are already a good driver. You just need to believe that and get onto the road with that belief, and trust me, within 10 days, you will come back and write that, Harminder, thank you very much for that tip. I am a confident driver now. So I hope this answers your questions and it makes you a confident driver. I'll see you again with more questions. Thank you, friends. Keep asking those questions and I'll try to answer you through these videos. I hope you guys are staying home. Stay home, stay safe, and wash your hands.